You say it's too dark? 30. I can't either, but it's a normal dime.
Old dime.
But there's 30. Where'd she go? Right there. 20, 30, 30.
Where? Oh, wait, what's this?
Oh,
Oh, fine. Where is it?
should have been right in there.
Quarter. Quarter.
At least she was what she said she was.
A quarter. We got a quarter.
Whoa, whoa, whoa.
Yeah.
Oh, I thought it was like an old one for a second.
Yeah, no.
No, it's a new one, but it's like, it's been worn off. A lot. Look at that. It's a weird looking quarter though. Look at that.
Build around.
You know what I mean? But it's a quarter nonetheless. Coda, coda. A coda is a coda.
Quarter looks.
Ugh.
You want to go swimming?
Oh, what is that? Oh, I thought that was a snake, bro.
Who's that digger? Over here. Got something?
Digger, digger. Oh, 24. Oh, look at this, guys. This is old. Built in the 1800s. Yep.
Look at that digger, Dustin.
Diggity digger.
Here we go.
Ooh,
quarter.
Let me see that, baby.
Wow, that's old.
Yeah, don't do it. Don't do it. Well, it's at least dirty. Don't know about old. Wouldn't it be nice?
We need a spray bottle.
Yeah, we
Like
do.
a-
Or
like
or
a
or
droop?
risk the water.
Or no, do the. You can get the quarter cleaner. Oh, that looks old.
$19.
10? No kidding. Probably 80.
98.
Oh wow, it's not that old.
1998.
Look at the old train. The old it's not even a train. It's old trestle.
The railroad trestle.
Look how old this wood is.
Yeah, they just literally went straight over it.
Uh-huh.
I bet you if there is stuff like in there
It'd be
in front of, it'd be right in under it all. Yeah. Oh, this
water's
water
moving,
goes
bro.
to it. Yeah, it is. Yeah, look over there. Some drainage pipe. It looks like. Oh no, that's the railroad. The rail thing.
What do you got?
You guys see all that? Look at all that, guys. That's crazy. Look at that. You got another something? Yeah. That is definitely what I would think. We got a 13, 14 right here.
I had that hit. I thought cap.
Probably.
Dimmer. Timer.
Dimmer?
This one looks old, dude.
Let's see.
I can't imagine what's in here, in this lake.
Oh, I know. I was just saying that everything right in here, right across this,
Yeah.
would definitely probably be extremely old. You know?
Oh, God, you see the dirt.
I mean, look at this. They had to cut some of the trees down. They were growing up so much. I don't think it's old, though. Turn it over in the back. The back tells you if it's old.
Regular in the back.
Yep, so it's regular time. Nothing special. Nothing special at all.
2007.
Oh. That's what it was, huh? $26. Steady 26.
Yep.
26 smells like a dime. Oh, my bad. You must find it. Penny.
Penny?
Wow.
26? That's unusual.
Is it old?
I thought that said 1783. No, 1983.
Nah.
Ain't done yet.
Someone's above us.
Right in nearest the dime.
What's in there?
We got 13, 14 right here. Oh, actually, steady 13, which would be a nickel. What we got? What we got? What we got?
Diamond.
Another diamond?
It's thin.
No? Regular. I got something right here, though. Got a nickel.
You're a nickel every day.
I know. Here, put the thingy over here again. Should be right in here.
Solid 13.
Solid,
Yeah.
solid 13.
This guy's walking. Yeah. Oh, it's us. Too close to each other. I just had it. And I think I scooped it out.
You just had it. You had it over here.
Oh, what is that?